up here checking on painting and maybe flooring. I don't know, we'll see how far they've got, but they should have started a few of the things, so that looks really good. How's it going? I'm Chris. What's up?
What's up? Very good. And then she wanted it smaller. They liked the smaller we got.
Floors aren't going down today, but they are doing the fireplace today, which is cool. All of the venting for the fireplaces before, it was done kind of wrong, and it was like the wrong size of tubes and things, and so we just had them rip out all of the vents. We're putting in brand new, clean vents that have like an exhaust and an intake all within the one vent unit, which is a lot more efficient, and it's going to be really nice. That's what they're putting in today, is the vent work that goes all the way out to the roof. Today was a pretty major day up at the cabin. Lots of progress. The fireplace, which is getting that done. The next step is flooring, and the stone around the whole fireplace should be going up this week. So really exciting stuff.